Alright, I was walking along here. I don't know if it's an antler or not. I've not been up there. But there's a big old steep bank that the deer are climbing up right here. I see two white things sticking up. Could be a broken off tree or weed, but man, it looks like tines from here. Maybe a fooler. We're gonna walk up there and take a look. Yes, I'm out of breath. I've done a little walking. I've been really sick here lately. Dude, if that's an antler, it's a hoss. Oh my. That's a good one. Yes, sir. Last year, look at all these vines growing all over it. Found a lot of old sheds this year. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I saw that. Just barely seen that G2 and G3 sticking up. Somehow got lucky. Oh my goodness. Anyway, stay with me guys, maybe we'll find some more.